Hello and happy holidays. I hope you're having a great one and getting some time with your family and enjoying yourself. Anyhow, I would like to tell you about some new things that we have in the store. So First Nations artist Josh Cole has been very generous. He's the one that did the Moko print, which we do have a few left in the store. And he's also done a couple new prints of Ratty. So part of it's gonna help go towards making the show. The other half is gonna go to Ratty's education fund or whatever Mama Chanel wants to do with it. But this is the print. It's 16 by 20, super high quality. Each of them are signed and numbered by Josh, and the originals that he sells of this size, they usually go for, you know, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 plus. He's got over 50 years painting, and yeah, we're really stoked to have Josh be so generous with us and help us with the show. So these prints are available in the store. The first ones of Moko and Ratty are there right now. The second one of Ratty cutting the calabash, that's actually on pre-order. They're just getting print and signed and sent over right now. But you're welcome to get those in the store if you like them. I understand the price is a bit high because it really is a work of art and these are limited and signed prints, but they are available as posters as well. So they're not going to be signed or numbered, but they do look incredible. The paper quality is great, and you can get them straight up as a poster, or if you want them framed as well, you can do that. So hope you can support the show. If not, that's cool too, but check out the store. We're gonna be revamping it. It's gonna look a lot better, and we'll have some new products there in the new year that I'm looking forward to also. So bless up, lots more Ross Kitchen to come, and have a wicked holiday and Happy New Year.